Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the problem first from the latest October lunchtime from CodeChef, problem name and plus or. So you are given an integer x, you have to find out two non-negative integers a and b such that if you do an a and b and you add that with a or b, it should be equal to x. And as you can see, this is one test case, test case in which they are given two examples and x is up to 20/18. Okay, so now you cannot do this in a brute force way, so you have to first think over this. First think over the problem that what is and what is or. If you are given two numbers, always in bit manipulation problems, try to think over in bits only. So let's assume that you are given some x which is equal to this, and you have to form two numbers such that if you do an or of them and if you do an and of them, and if you do an addition of both of these values, you will give this value. See, if I think to break out this number, if I find out the first set bit, okay, just take that set bit and all the rest numbers. So as you can see, I can break this down into this form, which is this. Sorry, 0 0 0 0 and now as you can see, this number is broken down into two numbers in which only the first set bit is taken out and the rest of the number. As you can see, this is the set bit, this is taken out, this is actually 0 only, and this is the rest of the number. Now if you do an OR operation of both of these number, it will actually give you the original number, which is, as you can see, this. But if you do an AND operation of both of these numbers, it will give you 0. So that's why I have chosen this technique. Why? Because see, if you just do an AND operation with 1 and 0, then it will give automatically 0. So that's what, if you do an OR operation, as you can see, if this is already set, so it is fine. You just switch the position of one bit. So that's why if you do an OR operation of both of them, it will remain, or it will give you the same number, which is 1 at this position. So now if you do an OR operation and AND operation, this OR operation singularly will contribute to the final answer, and this AND operation will turn out to be 0, so it will not contribute, and thus that's the logic for this problem. So what you can do, you can iterate over from left to right and find out the first set bit, and because the number x, as you can see, x is from 1 till 10^18, so from 1 it means that there should always be one set bit. So you just find out the first set bit from left to right, and just what you can do, take out the first number, the number which is just having that set bit, the first set bit, and the next number is take out the original number except the set bit which you have taken down in the next number. So how you can do that, I'll take down to the code part now. So as you can see, because the number is 10^18, so the bits can be up to 60, so I have taken out for 59, and you just find out the first set bit. So move from left to right from 0 to 59, find out the first set bit. So the first number is the number which has the first set bit only, so I shift down the set bit, and the next number is, because you have to only flip the number which is not the set bit, you have to flip down the number in the original number. Because the original number is x, you have to flip down the first set bit from the left which you have chosen here, so you have to flip that number. To flip that number, you have to do a XOR operation. So that's why I've taken x. You just do a XOR operation in x at that particular bit position which you have taken here. So if I've taken the first set bit from left, you just also do a XOR operation with x at the first set bit, and then print out these two numbers. And that's the logic for this problem. I hope you get the point. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.